Good morning, everybody. On another handyman project today. Nice big neighborhood. Beautiful. Anyway, it gave me a little opportunity to clean out the van and organize it a little bit. I had too much stuff just randomly thrown around, and I needed to find some very specific tools. So what's going on here this morning is this. I got to repair these cracks everywhere. That one's already been pulled out. What's going on is this step here is on the shaded side of the house. So you can see the shade line right there. So what happens with all this rain that we've been getting over the last couple of years, North Carolina has been pretty wet, is that these steps have, because of this slope over here in the land, excuse me, it's 23 degrees out here. So it just bumps up against the steps. And this is another water diversion problem I keep telling you guys about all the time here in Raleigh. But it gets up underneath these steps and it starts swelling the concrete. And that's exactly what's happened here. This is the piece that came out of it, and it literally just popped out. So I got a big surface grinder. We're gonna grind that down about a half to maybe an inch. And there's a bunch of other ones that are real loose. Hear it? Loose, and everything's cracked. See all the cracks? Now I've got a multiple of cutters with me today. Heavy duty grinding heads. And of course my big one here. But yeah. All my concrete finishing stuff. Plus, I had to, if you noticed, this has been dyed to a red. Now somebody repaired this before and didn't take the time to try to dye it. Okay, so I got a bottle of this stuff right here. Okay, so I can put some color into the mortar mix. And of course I'm using Quikrete mortar mix. Good product. All right, let's get started, shall we? Good morning, everybody. Cold as hell. Thank God there's no wind. That's more than I'm more hopeful for the wind not blowing, because yesterday, oh my God, at 15 miles an hour all day long, it was freaking cold out here. But even though the morning's a little colder, there's zero wind. Thank God. Thank God. Now, this neighborhood that I'm at, I've been trying to get in here for a long time, and these are all big houses. They start at $1 million and they go up to $2.5 million. They're big, just really gorgeous homes. Every one of them solid brick. They'll start at 35 up to 7,000 square feet. Just huge homes, and of course a lot of landscaping. Just big estates. Okay, well, so I'll drop this camera. The concrete work is delayed again for another 3 to 4 days because the steel guys are just running into so many problems. There's so much rust. So once that project starts, now this is let me clear something up. The reason why I changed the channel name is a conflict of interest because of this one contract I have. I cannot post any videos there. That's just the bottom line. And I work there all the time. So really a lot of the stuff that I don't do anymore with the Handyman videos is because of that contract. And when I do these residentials, you know, again, if it's just some general maintenance item, I'm not going to post that as a video, okay? So that was the reasoning for this whole thing. I just cannot film out there, so I won't. And that keeps the peace. So when I get these pretty different little jobs here, I will post a video about it and keep you guys informed, entertained. Hopefully I entertain you guys. But sometimes I don't. That's okay too, but at least we have a lot of fun doing it. All right, let me get at it, guys. You know what to do. Smash the bell for future notifications, and also subscribe. Thumbs up, like, share, leave those comments. You know me, I'm Tom. I'm Mr. Fix-All.